The first exercise is find the general formula for the derivative of y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x. Okay, welcome back, and this is the time is over. The problem says find the general formula for the derivative of y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x. And first, because this is an exponential function, and we have said that if we are given an exponential function, first we have to convert that into a logarithm. So I will take the natural logarithm of both sides. Ln of y is equal to g of x, that is exponent, becomes the coefficient whenever we are using logarithm, g of x times ln of f of x. So I will derivate either side, d by dx of ln y, d by dx of the right side, that is this one, and d by dx of ln of y is y derivative over y, and this is derivative of products, that is g of x multiplied by ln of f of x. This is product of two functions. So derivative of g of x multiplied by ln of x plus g of x now multiplied by derivative of logarithmic function. I think you still remember derivative of product of functions, and I'm directly using that. That is one of the properties of derivative rules that we have seen a couple of minutes ago. So y derivative is equal to this y multiplied by everything we have. So this becomes g derivative of x times ln of f of x plus this is g of x over ln of f of x is 1 over f of x times it is inner function derivative, that is f derivative of x itself. So this is something that I already got previously. So y derivative is simply y times everything I have So by simply substituting in y this one, finally I will get y derivative is f of x times the power of g of x, that is simply y, multiplied by something, everything I have already there. So this is a general formula of how the derivative goes in. The second problem is the direct application of the formula that we have derived a while ago in problem 1. The second problem says find the derivative of y is equal to x to the power of x. Okay, the time is up. Come back to the problem. The problem says find the derivative of y is equal to x to the power of x by directly substituting into the formula that we have here, our general formula for this kind of derivative of f of x to the power of g of x, where my f of x is x and my g of x is also x. F derivative of x is 1, g derivative of x is also 1. So f of x to the power of g of x is the function itself, that is x to the power of x, into g derivative of x is 1 times ln x times g of x. G of x is x over f of x is also x times 1. So finally I will get the function to be x to the power of x into ln x plus 1 plus c. That is the way we make the derivative. Because we are making the derivative, there is no need to make a plus there. D by dx of x to the power of x is simply x to the power of x into ln x plus 1. That is the answer. You may also check that derivative of x to the power of x to the power of x will be equal to x to the power of x to the power of x is x to the power of x into ln x plus 1 into ln x plus x to the power of x over x plus c. Even if it looks like kind of complicated, when you directly plug into the formula that we have derived a while ago by converting the given exponential function into logarithm. This the one which is in this rectangle will help us to attack this kind of problem very easily. What you need to do is simply f of x is x and our g of x is x to the power of x. Then you get that to be the answer. Third problem is shows that if y is logarithm of x to the base a, then d by dx is 1 over x ln a. Okay, time is up. Let us see the solution together. The problem shows that if y is log of x to the base a, then dy by dx is 1 over x ln a. Because y is log of x to the base a, when I want to make a derivative of logarithms, I have to exponentiate it, means convert it into exponentials. And this x is a to the power of y. That is the way I will convert this logarithm into exponential. Then I will do a derivative of both sides, derivative of this and the derivative of that, d by dx of that x and the d by dx of a to the power of y. D by dx of x is simply 1, and d by dx of a to the power of y is a to the power of y times ln of a, that is the formula for exponential functions. We have derived a formula for a to the power of y, which is a to the power of y ln a, in another tutorial, and you can watch that if you are not clear with how it is done, times the inner function, because we do not know if y is also a function of x, so multiplied by dy by dx. So that is actually what I'm requested to find. This dy by dx is 1 over a to the power of y times ln a. But this a to the power of y is by self x. So a to the power of y is x. So dy by dx is 1 over x ln a. That is d by dx of logarithm of x to the base a is 1 over x times ln a. That is the way we make derivative of logarithms. Thank you very much, and this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Have your own time to exercise more and more until you will feel confident and be able to solve similar problems by yourself. Bye bye.